Hi guys, welcome to the InfoGiants. I'm Kapil, and today I'm coming with another video about Kali Linux. And today we will be talking about open source softwares available in this operating system. And this software is primarily any penetration tester or some security professionals which are interested to explore the networking behind the scene. Let's take an example. If you have a website and if you want to know what services and what different DNS behind the website or different information you can explore using the tool which is available in Kali Linux, which is Maltego. It is open source intelligence tool, or we can also call it OSINT software. So we will be talking about this tool today. So before starting, I want to give you some overview about this tool and what is OSINT and what is open source intelligence. So let me just share my website screen about this. So this is the official website of Maltego, maltego.com, and this product is available. It has a community version, so you can access it free with some limited features, and it is also have professional enterprise versions. So we'll go through the community version. It is already inbuilt available in Kali Linux. So if you don't have Kali Linux, don't worry, you can still download it for Windows Linux Mac using the download page, but I have it in Kali Linux, so I'll be using there. So before moving to this, let me tell you what is exactly is a Maltego. So the definition, you can see it is an open source intelligence tool, graphical link analysis tool for gathering or connecting information. So in short term, we can say if we have IP address, if we have a website URL, simply I'm just focusing on the website here, but it could be used for like gathering anything. You could analyze a single tweet, like where it is originated from. You can also track the whole network behind a social post. So it is a kind of reverse engineering of a particular thing. That could be a Bluetooth device, that could be a camera, that could be a location, that could be a website URL, the domain name server, any other things. I will be showing you I will show you what are the different things you can do this by using this. So let me just tell you more about the Maltego. So if we there is a standard in the security which is OWASP, which is the Open Web Application Security Project. So this project defines the different application security standards. So according to that, what is OSINT? So we can say OSINT is simply open source intelligence. This is a method by using that you can collect the data indirectly, I mean without knowing the other parties. Like for example, if there is a website, I'll be using my website for the demonstration. This website, if there is infogiants.com, then if you want to know where this website is hosted, what is the email address behind this, who registered this domain, and where the server is located, what hosting this website is using, and what are the email services this domain is using. So all of this information you can get using Maltego or some other tools available to like this OSINT tools without asking these details from the owner of the website. Or you can say you can explore all this information using this tool. So it could be also used for threat intelligence for your organization. Like it can be also used for modeling the different data sets. So without going into deep, there are also some Shodhan. So Shodhan is also, let me show you, it is a search engine for Internet of Things. So let's take an example. What this Shodhan search engine does, it just ping all the IP addresses available in the network on the different ports. So if it gets the ping back from that device or IP address or network, that means that is publicly accessible on that particular port. So it lists all of these IP addresses and the ports and it also checks if there is an authentication exists for it or not. And it also has some algorithms defined in the backend that also determine the services, like which service is running on this port, and what kind of hardware or system is running that particular service. So it exposes all the things that are connected to internet, and you can just play with this. It is a different story tutorial, so let's just focus to our tool, which is Maltego. So I'll be showing the quick demo how I can get more information behind my website using this tool. So I have Kali Linux installed on my virtual box. So without wasting time, let's get straight there. So this is Kali Linux, and you can go to menu. There is information gathering. Inside this we have a Maltego software. You have to register on the maltego.com website, because when you access this tool it will ask you for the login that I already did. So you have to register, and after that when you uh, open this software, it will ask you to log in using your email address. So I already done that. Okay, we have just so you can close this, and there is a plus icon, new, click on this. All right, so it is a demo use only, as it is showing me. I'm not updating it right away. So as you can see, what are the different entities you can explore using this device, using this software, sorry. So for example, you can explore about a DNS name. So you can also explore what is behind a domain, what is behind a URL, what is defined behind a website. uh, you can also explore the organization. It will search using its script and the internet, that whatever it finds, it will model it here. You can also check for MX record, tracking code, net block, SSL certificate, GPS coordinate, location. You can you can explore a service, email address, image. You can also check about any single person using his name, phone number, phrase, sentiment, even tweets, hashtags. You can also, all things you can find out. So let's see how it works. So DNS name, I just dragged it here, and you can change the DNS name here. So I'm putting my website name here, infogiants.com. After that, enter. And if you want to move all the objects, I mean if there are more than one object, you can click Ctrl A, and then you can drag it like this. There are the multiple options that you can select how you want it to be shown. So I have selected the first one, and you can also lock it here if you want to lock the layout. So I just selected it here. These are the different options of representing it. So I selected the first one, it looks better. So after this, you can right click. You can I mean access the particular option, or I just click on all transforms. So it will be just exploring what is behind this domain. So it finds three different things, as you can see. These are the scripts are running, logs of these scripts. So I want to just drag it down, click it here. So you can see in the InfoGiants, if we find the DNS, it is a website, and which is this is the IP address of this website. When we click on this, what exactly this entity is, this is the IPv4 address. So if we click on all transform from this, it will explore other services behind this. So this is you can see it is again, it is recursively looking for all the information available for this. So let me just show you. We can zoom in it. Yep. So in InfoGiants, uh, it is showing us that this is the net block or CIDR, or where this website actually hosted on that machine. It is a particular timestamp for that. It is on DigitalOcean, as you can see. More information is, it is a DigitalOcean server. You can explore more different things on this entity. It is behind the VPN. It is in the Bengaluru, India location, and this is the again IP address of it. And it is also showing some more information about it. So let's just delete all this block and go back to our domain. So we can click on this entity as well, and it will explore all the possible options that it could explore for the particular website. It is again showing lots of things. So I mean, it can yeah, you can see it has also explored like what is email address associated with the InfoGiants, what are the name servers behind this, and some other information. You can see it is a GoDaddy. We have registered domain at GoDaddy. It also explored that. So there are lots of things it can do automatically. So this is the basic idea of the Maltego. We can check out all other different things. So let's check this tweet entity and what exactly it does. I need to check here. I haven't explored this as well. So tweet IDs, takes us tweet Maltego community. I don't know how it exactly works. Let me just check other hashtag. So yeah, hashtag COVID-19. That's example. And what different options we have. There's a person. Let's delete this one. Okay. I mean, you can play with this thing. Let me search couple. First name, last name. Let's explore all the transform. Learn about it. Just curious to know what information it can. Okay, so it is just found one email address, ubiquitdigital.com about me. I'm not sure what more it can find about. So let's just delete this and explore another thing. Like I want to know about one email address. So I have just entered applicable@gmail.com and FL first last name. Yep. So it has found this is on Gmail. What this information, I'm not sure what is exactly this. To IP address with the phone numbers with these properties. What exactly this ID is? GPS. So as you can see, we can explore all of these options. I mean, there are lots of things that we can do here. Let's find something interesting. It is about port. So no, it is an alias, a document, a location on Mother Earth. Okay, let's click on this. The location could be Kota, Rajasthan, and it is in the country India, and the city is Kota. Okay, so let's find more details about this. Okay. Mm, I'm exactly not proficient about this thing, but I just found that using this tool, if we go through the documentation, there are lots of things that we can explore using this tool. I believe these kind of tools are used by different professionals for gathering the information and then finding out what is running behind the scene. So it is pretty much a useful tool, and I'll try to explore it more in detail in the next video, and we'll be posting more about these kinds of tools. So if you found this video useful, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe our channel. I'll be posting more information about what I know about different tools, and hopefully I'm working on another project, so uh, I'll be making a video about that as well. Till then, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.